Friends, so today discuss about damped harmonic oscillator. So this is the oscillation chapter, video number 5, damped harmonic oscillators. So first of all, I am taking for examples. So I am taking 3 examples. So this is a one simple pendulum. So this is a one metal bob. It is attached to one rigid support. So we know that very well. This is called simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. When the external force is acting on this simple pendulum, so that is here some force is acting, or this simple pendulum is moving particular distance and releasing. What happen? It is oscillates to and fro motion about the mean position like this. Here, what is our question? Their time will be increases. Time is increases. The time is increases. What is the amplitude you observe? Okay, when the time is increases, what is the amplitude is observed? Here I am taking one medium. This simple pendulum swings in a air medium. This is a complete air. This is complete air. This is a air. Here this is a one medium. What is the medium? Air medium. So when the time is increases, what is the amplitude of the simple pendulum? So 100% their amplitude will be decreases. And here after 10 minutes time, what is the amplitude? There is no amplitude. Their amplitude will be stop. So that is, it is come back to, it is a mean position. There is no oscillation. Mean position, there is no oscillation. And second one, I am taking another second example here. Their second example, spiral spring. So let us take one spring mass system. So this is a spring. The spring constant K. Their mass of the spring M. So here it is also one surrounding medium. This is a one surrounding medium. So what is the medium? Here some air is there, air. Okay, so when this spring is released, pulled down and released, what happened? So this is a spring automatically moving up and down about a mean position, up and down about a mean position. The same thing in this one, the time will be increases. So what is the amplitude? That is what is the oscillations of the spiral spring? So same thing, after some time their oscillations will be stopped. Oscillations will be stopped. And let us take another example. The same thing here. This is a spiral spring mass is placed inside of a water. Now I am taking the water, third case. Here this is the same spiral spring mass system, right? So it is oscillating inside of a water. Inside of a water. So what is your observation inside of a water? So their oscillation, their time will be increases. Their oscillation is the stop is very fastly. Oscillations is stop is very fastly. So in these 3 examples, what is your observation there? Here in the simple pendulum or spiral spring system, or the spiral spring system is oscillating inside water. So these all oscillations is oscillation particular mediums here. All oscillations oscillate particular medium. What is your observation? When the oscillations in the oscillate particular medium, their oscillations will be stopped. So what is your observation? What is the reason? Some dissipative forces will be acting. Dissipative forces will be acting. So what is the dissipative forces in these 4 cases? They're simple dissipative forces. One is air force, that is drag force. This is the dissipative forces, that is. And the second one, friction force. Friction force also acting in the metal bar and air. So these type of forces, what happen, their amplitude and energy, the both are dissipated continuously. Both are dissipated continuously, that is the decreases. So this type of motions, this type of motion is called damped harmonic oscillator. So what is a damped harmonic oscillators? What is your observation? And what is a damped harmonic oscillator definition? So what is the damped harmonic oscillator definition? When a object or when a body is oscillate, when a body is oscillate in any medium, any medium, that is air or water or kerosene or any medium, another medium. Okay, the damping forces are acting, so due to damping forces, their amplitudes will be decreases with time. So this type of oscillation, oscillations is called as damped harmonic oscillations. What is the damped harmonic oscillation? When the body is oscillating in any medium, so the damping force is acting. So due to damping forces, their amplitude will be decreases with respect to time. So this type of oscillation is called damped harmonic oscillation. So here in this three example, what happened? So in this one, damped harmonic forces, what is the damped harmonic force? Air force, drag force is acting. So due to air between moving of a simple pendulum or swings, especially in the parks, many more students or children, anyone is swinging a swing. So it is a damped forces is acting between swing and the medium. Their oscillations will be decreases with respect to time. So this type of motions is called damped harmonic oscillation. So damped means their oscillation will be decreases with respect to time. It depends on the surrounding medium. So this type of oscillations is called damped harmonic oscillations. What is the equation of the damped harmonic oscillations? In the mathematical equation, so we know that very well, in the simple harmonic motion, always the acceleration is directly proportional to displacement. So A is equal to minus omega square y. So here A plus omega square y, A is equal to 0. What is the A? Acceleration. That is acceleration d square x by dt square plus omega square y is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the second order differential equation. What is that? Second order differential equation of SHM. So in the simple harmonic motions, the second order differential equation, what is the equation? D square x by dt square plus omega square y. So in these damped harmonic oscillations, here first how many forces are acting? So when suppose here let us take for example, I am taking the simple pendulum. Okay, this simple pendulum is oscillating in a air, Here how many forces is acting inside of a air? First one, restoring force is acting. What is the force? the restoring force is acting when this simple pendulum is moving to and fro motion 100%, the restoring force is acting. So that is F restoring force is equal to minus K into X. We know that very well. Second one, damped force also acting. Damped force. So what is the damped force in this one? Due to of air. So this damped force Fd is always proportional to velocity of the object. So that is Fd is equal to minus B into V. Minus B into V, where B is equal to damping constant. B is equal to damping constant. So in the damped harmonic oscillator, how many forces is acting? Two forces is acting. One is restoring force is acting, another is damped force is acting. So what is the total force? F net force. Here F net force is equal to F restoring force, F damping force. So therefore Fr means minus Kx, Fd means minus P. Okay, so this is the F. So we know that from Newton's second law, what is the F? F is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, or here substitute in the above equation, ma is equal to minus Kx minus B. And this m is minus Kx is going to here, and minus Bx also going to here. What happened? Ma plus Kx plus Bv is equal to 0. And dividing m with here, this is a dividing m in all terms. So here m cancelled. So a plus, I will write this term, b by m into v plus k by m into x is equal to 0. And we know that a is equal to acceleration. So that is d square x by dt square. Okay, the rate of change of velocity by time. The velocity is equal to, here v is indicated velocity, dx by dt. The rate of change of displacement by time. We is to substitute a and v value. So a is equal to, what is the a? D square x by dt square plus b by m dx by dt plus k by m x is equal to 0. So this is equation is called, second order damped harmonic oscillations equation. What is the equation? D square x by dt square plus b by m dx by dt plus k by m is equal to 0. This equation is called second order equation. Sometimes sometimes I will write 2 gamma is equal to b by m and omega square is equal to k by m sometimes. Okay, so here I can write another equation, d square by dt square plus b by m means 2 gamma dx by dt plus omega square x is equal to 0. This equation is also called as differential equation of a damped harmonic oscillation. The both are same. Here this is also same. There are d square x by dt square plus v by m dx by dt plus k by m is equal to 0. It is also equation. B is equal to a damping factor, k is equal to force constant, m is equal to mass. So this equation is called their mathematical equations of the damped harmonic oscillator. And every equation is having the solution. Every equations in the according to mathematical concept, every mathematical equations is having the solution. So this is the equation, the damped harmonic equation. What is the solution of the damped harmonic equation? So the solution is equal to x is equal to a e power minus bt by 2m cos omega dash t plus pi. So where this is the amplitude, okay, I am taking the a dash, so that is x is equal to a dash cos omega dash t plus pi. So this is the solution of damped harmonic oscillator x is equal to a dash cos omega dash t plus pi, where what is the a dash here? The a dash is equal to amplitude of damped harmonic oscillator. Amplitude of damped harmonic oscillator, that is a into e power minus bt by 2m. a into e power minus bt by 2m. Here omega dash is equal to angular frequency. Angular frequency of damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, so in the SHM, what is the W value? We know that very well. Their W value is equal to, in the SHM, their W is equal under root of k by m. So it is a simple harmonic motions. But here omega dash also angular frequency of the damped harmonic oscillation, but in this case W dash, that is omega dash under root of, here omega dash is equal to under root of k by m minus b by 2m whole square. So this is the equation, the angular frequency of the damped harmonic oscillations. Omega dash is equal to under root of k by m minus b by 2m whole square. Suppose if b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. What is the b value? B is equal to damping forces, damping constant. Suppose the damping constant is equal to 0, means there is no air. Okay, there is no damping forces. So there is no frictional forces, there is no air forces. Substitute b is equal to 0, their omega dash is equal to under root of k by m. K by m. So therefore it is equal to omega, angular frequency. When the damping force will be no damping forces, so damping constant or damping force will be 0, that is a no damping forces, it is give the simple harmonic motion angular frequency. But this omega dash is given angular frequency of damped harmonic oscillators, and so it is also having some energy. Okay, so E is equal to, here what is the energy? General case E naught e power minus bt by m. This is the energy of the damped harmonic oscillator. This energy will be continuously decreases with respect to time. Dissipated means decreases. Their energy will be decreases continuously with respect to the time. What is the E is equal to E naught e power minus bt by m. But what is the E naught? Here in the simple harmonic motion, their energy is equal 1 by 2 ka square in SHM. Okay, so but what is the energy in the damped ED? Damped, for example, ED is equal to 1 by 2 k a square e power minus bt by m. So this is the energy of the damped harmonic oscillators. Okay, this is the energy of the damped harmonic oscillator. ED is equal to 1 by 2 ka square e power minus btt. So what is the amplitude? Their a dash, this is the amplitude. This is amplitude. So a dash is equal to a e power minus bt by 2m. Suppose where b is equal to 0, what happened? E power minus 0. E power minus 0, that is 1. So amplitude of damped harmonic oscillator is equal to a. So this is about of a damped harmonic oscillator. Here I am taking one example problems. So this is a textbook problem, example 8.10 oscillation. So Telugu academic book. So here, what is the example problem? For the damped oscillation shown in figure 8.19, the mass small m of the block is 200 grams, K is equal to 19 Newton per meter, and the damping constant B is equal to 40 grams per second. Calculate the period of oscillation, means capital T. Second one, time taken for its amplitude of vibration to drop to half of the initial value. Second problem. Third one, the time taken for it is mechanical energy to drop off of its initial value. So I will explain what is the solution of these example problems. So here taking the example problem 8.10. So what is the mass? So m is equal to mass of the block, it is 200 grams is given, and force constant K is equal to 19 Newton per meter is given, and B is equal to damping constant 40 grams per second is given. So here you can observe, this is Newton per meter, this is grams per second. So this Newton per meter means SI units, this is CGS units, here CGS units. So now this SI units is CGS units is converted to SI units. 200 grams is equal to 0.2 kg, because 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. 1 gram is equal. So 200 into 10 power minus 3, 0.2 kg. And 40 grams per second, here the same thing, 0.04 kg per second. So what is the first question? First question, you can calculate time period. Okay, what is the first question? You can calculate time period. And what is the equation of the time period? T is equal to 2 pi under root of m by k. This is the time period of the spiral spring. This time period is independent of the mediums. Here it is taking any air or water, or generally any cases the time period T is equal to 2 pi under root of m by k. So where substitute the all values, so T is equal to 2 pi, what is the m? M is equal to 0.2 by, what is the k value? 90. And here this is a 2, 0.2, the point will be removed. Here this is a 900, so that is 2 pi under root of 2 by 900. So that is here 2 pi root 2 by root 900. What is the value? 30 value. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2, 1 5 are. Pi is equal to 3.14 into root 2 by 1 5. So here root 2 is equal to 1.414, root 2 is equal to 1.414. All these values will be substitute, you can get 0.3 seconds. What is the answer? 0.3 seconds. This is the time period of the this example problem 8.10. Second one, what is the second one? The time taken. Okay, the time taken, it is amplitude of oscillation drop to half of the initial value. What is the amplitude? The amplitude is decreases half of the amplitude. Okay, so here A dash, the new amplitude is a decreases half of the amplitude. So I am taking the time. So we know that there what is the amplitude formula? A dash is equal to A into e power minus b, I am taking t off, by 2m. And what is the A dash? Half of the amplitude, A by 2 is equal to A into e power minus t 1 by 2 by 2m. Here A cancel, A cancel. So what is the equation? 1 by 2 is equal to e power minus bt of by 2m. And this is going to this side, it's give log 1 by 2 is equal to minus b t of by 2, and t of is equal to time is equal to log 1 by 2 is equal to b by 2m, b by 2m. So this is a minus, means just opposite. Okay, I am not taking the minus value, opposite. Here this is log 1 by 2, it's what is the value? Remember 0.693. what is the value? Log 1 by 2 is equal to 0.693 by b. This is 2m is going to upward into 2m. Okay, so substitute this all values. 0.693 into 2 into mass 0.2. what is the b value is equal to 0.04, and calculate. Okay, so this this point will be removed. Here one is point, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 into 4, so 0.1. And this is a point 1 is cancel, point 1 is cancelled, this point is going to here. So what is the answer? 6.93 seconds. 6.93 seconds. So this is how much time taken. Their amplitude is how much time taken? Their amplitude is going to half t by 2, that is 6.93 seconds. And third one, what is the third one? Same thing, the mechanical energy is E dash equal to their half of the value. Find the same concept t. In this case, here I am taking E formula. E is equal to, okay, so E is equal to, we know that E naught e power minus d t of by m. Okay, so what is the E naught? Here E dash means E naught by 2, that is here E naught by 2. This is the original energy, mechanical energy. E naught by 2 is equal to E naught e power minus d 1 by 2 by m. E naught cancel, 1 by 2 e power minus bt of by 2. This is going to here, the same thing, log 1 by 2 minus bt of by 2. And what is the t of formula? Here log 1 by 2 by, here sorry, this is a m, b by m, this is a b by m, so it is going to b by m. So finally log 1 by 2, 0.693 into m by b. This is a t of general formula. Okay, so 0.693 into, what is the m? We know that very well, m is equal to 0.2 by b is equal to 0.04. So here I am taking the some calculation. This point removing, here one point, and this point is removing, it is coming to here. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 6.93 by 2. Okay, so that is 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 fours are 2 six are, so 3.46 seconds. So this is a 3.46 seconds. It is the energy. So this is the problem number 8.0. So here you can calculate it how many terms. One is the time period, t is equal to pi by m by k. So this is a solution. So what is the time period? T is equal to 0.3 seconds, and the second one, their amplitude is off. You can find what is the time. I am taking here, you can taking small t or capital T, don't worry. Small t also is correct, small t also correct. Here is going to this one, their e power is going to here log. Finally, what is the amplitude? 6.93 second. The same thing, the mechanical energy is half of the value, it's give the 3.46. What is your observation in this one? Their mechanical energy 6 point, their half of the amplitude is equal to mechanical energy. Always the energy is a square of the amplitude. Energy is a square of the amplitude. Okay, the energy is the square of the amplitude. Here a by 2, a by 2 means sometimes a is equal to a square. So this is the damped harmonic motion. So but in this one, a by 2, a by 2, e is equal to a by 2. So a is equal to 2e, a is equal to 2e. So this is called damped harmonic oscillator problem. Thank you, one and all.